Okay. Good morning to one and all. Today we are discussing about single source shortest path. That is the single source shortest path by using dynamic programming. Initially we are finding the shortest path by using single edge. Single edge means that is by using only single edge. Suppose 1 to 2. That is the 1 to 2 shortest path by using single edge. By using single edge means for a given graph, it is we are using shortest path, that is we are finding the single source shortest path. The matrix, that is the matrix represents the given graph, it is already graph is there. Graph for given graph you are finding initially we are finding the shortest path by using single edge. Single edge means directly initially we are consider a graph with single edge. Suppose shortest path from 1 to 2 is 6. Shortest path from 1 to 3 by using single edge is 1 to 3 is 5. Next 1 to 4 is 5. Next one 1 to 6, there is no edge from 1 to 5. There is no edge 1 to 6. There is no edge from 1 to 7. So we are finding shortest path, that is we are finding the single shortest path from first vertex to remaining vertex by using single edge. This single edge, just we are calculating single edge, there is only direct connection with one single edge 6 by 5. So it is represented by distance power 1 I, it is distance power 1 by 0, distance power 1 2, distance power 3, distance power 4, distance power 5. Next we are calculating, that is by using distance power 1, that is by distance power 1 we are calculating distance square 2, that is distance square 2. Distance square 2 means distance square 2. Next one distance square 3, distance square 4, and distance square 5, and distance square 6. That is we are calculating distance square 1, distance square 2, and distance square 2. It is first one, it is the distance minimum of u, it is 6 comma distance 1 comma 1 comma 2, it is distance 1 comma 2, it is distance 1 comma 2. Next we are not calculating 2 comma 2 because we are calculating distance from 1 to 2. That is here you are representing 2 means there is no edge possible for 2 to 2. So you are not calculating distance, that is I for 2, that is here I equal to 1. Next one we are not calculate for I equal to 2 because we are calculating for distance 2. There is no edge present for distance 2 comma 2. So distance 2 comma 2 edge is not present. That is distance 2 comma 2 edge is not, distance 2 comma 2 edge is not present. So we are now calculating for I equal to 2. Next distance 3 comma 3 comma 2, 4 comma 4 comma 2. Next one 5 comma 5 comma 2, 6 comma 6 comma 2, 6 comma 6 comma 2, 7 comma 7 comma 2. For distance square 2, it is distance square 2 means distance square means we are calculating shortest path from 1 to 2. So we are calculating shortest path from 1 to 2 by using two edges. That is by using two edges. So first one distance 1 comma cost of 1 comma 2, distance 3 comma cost of 3 comma 2, distance 4 comma 4 comma 2, distance 5, distance power 1 comma distance 5 1 comma 5 comma 2, distance power 6 comma 6 comma 2, 7 comma 7. So we are finding minimum of 6 comma, the minimum of all these numbers, that is here we are using formula minimum of distance power 1, distance power k minus 1 means distance power 1 u comma minimum of distance power 1 I comma cost of I comma u. So here distance power 1, first one 0 plus 6, that is 0 plus 6 means distance power 1 0 plus cost of 1 comma 2, that is cost of 1 comma 2 is 6. Next one distance power 3, distance power 1 3 plus cost of 3 comma 2, that is cost of 3 comma 2 means you are finding the shortest path, that is you are finding the shortest path from first vertex to second vertex by using two vertices, that is by using two edges. So 0 plus 6 and 5 minus 2, 5 plus 2, 5 infinity plus infinity, infinity plus infinity, that is the minimum value, that is the minimum value is 6 3 5, infinity, 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 that is the minimum value is the as is 6 comma 3, that equal to 3. That means you are finding the shortest path from first vertex to second vertex by using two edges. We are finding the shortest path from first vertex to second vertex by using two edges is 5 minus 2, 3. That means in graph, it is in graph already we are representing, that is in graph you are already representing the shortest path from first vertex to second vertex by using two edges. That is by using two edges means 1, 2, 3, 3 to 2, two edges, 5 minus 2, minus 2 equal to 3. So 5 minus 2 equal to 3, that is we are finding the shortest path from first vertex to second vertex by using two edges is 5 minus 2, that equal to 3. Same you are calculating here, 5 minus 2, 2. So next one, distance square 3, that is distance square 3 means, that is distance square 3 means minimum of distance power 3, that is minimum of distance power 3 comma minimum of distance power 1 plus cost of 1 comma 3. Next, distance power 1, 2 plus cost of 2 comma 3. You are not calculating distance power 3. Already distance power 1, 3 is there and cost of 3 comma 3 is 0. So we are not considering distance power 3 plus 3 comma 3 because there is no edge present for 3 comma 3. There is no edge present for 3 comma 3. That's why you are not considering 3, distance power 3, 3 because we are calculating shortest path from first vertex to third vertex. We are calculating shortest path from first vertex to third vertex. So we are not consider distance power 3 plus cost of 3 comma 3. So distance power 4 plus 4 comma 3, distance power 5 plus 5 comma 3, distance power 1, 6 comma 6 plus 4, 6 comma 3, distance power 7, 7 comma 3. Means we are calculating shortest path. That is, we are calculating shortest path at most two vertices. At most two vertices. If at most two edges, if it is not possible, just we are consider single edge. Suppose it is possible, there is a shortest path by using two edges, we are calculating shortest path by using two edges. Suppose there is no shortest path by using two edges, we are consider only single edge because at most two edges means single edges. So distance power 3 equal to 5. Next one, 0 plus 5, what is 0 plus 5, 6 plus infinity, 6 plus infinity means 6 means distance 2 plus 2 comma 3, there is no edge 2 comma 3, it is cost equal to infinity for given graph. And next one, 5 plus 0, next one 5 minus 2 and infinity plus infinity, infinity plus infinity, infinity plus infinity, that is 5, 6, 5, 3, infinity, 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 that is the minimum cost, that is the minimum cost is 3, 5 comma 3, that is the minimum value is 3, means we are finding the shortest path, that is we are finding the shortest path from first vertex to third vertex. So distance square 3, distance square 3 represents, distance square 3 represents, we are finding the shortest path by using two edges to third vertex. So we are finding the shortest path means 5 minus 2, 3. 5 minus 2, 3, that is the shortest path by using two edges. So distance square power 3 equal to 3. Suppose in graph, it is in graph, we are representing distance shortest path from first vertex to third vertex. That is the shortest path from first vertex to third vertex by using two edges. By using single edge, your shortest path is 5. But by using two edges, that is by using two edges, there is a shortest path from 1 to 4. And next one is 4 to 3, 5 minus 2, 2. Suppose there are finding shortest path by using two edges. The shortest path from 5 to 1 to 3 is 3 by using two edges. 5 minus 2 equal to 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Next you are calculating, it is distance square 4. Distance square 4 means, suppose you are calculating distance power 4. There is we are finding we are finding shortest path from 1 to 4. We are finding shortest path 1 to 4, but there is no two edges is not possible. That is, two edges is not possible for given graph. So you are consider at most two edges. At most means one vertex or two vertices. Suppose there is no shortest path available by using two edges. Suppose distance square 4. Distance square 4 represents you are finding the shortest path from first vertex to fourth vertex by using two edges. Suppose there is no path is available to 1 to 4 by using two edges. Just you are consider path by using single edge. That is, by using single edge means just suppose there is no path available for two edges. So just you are consider the shortest path by using single edge. If any path is available, you are consider by using two edges. Suppose if any path is not available, you are directly consider 1 to 4. That is, the 1 to 4 is shortest path by using single edge. Next, distance 2 comma 5. Sorry, 2 not 5. Distance 2 comma 5 means you are finding the shortest path from 1 to 5 by using two edges. Suppose distance 5, distance power 1 5 is infinity plus 0 plus infinity. It is 0 plus infinity. And next one is 6 comma minus 1. And next one is 6 comma minus 1. 6 comma 5 minus 1 means distance 2 comma cost of 5 comma cost of 2 comma 5. Cost of 2 comma 5 is minus 1. Next one, cost of 3 comma 5. Cost of 4 comma 5 is infinity. Next, cost of 6 comma 5. Cost of 6 comma 7. 6 comma 7. So you are finding the shortest path infinity comma 5. First infinity minus 6 minus 1 5. 5 plus 1 6. 5 plus 1 infinity infinity. Infinity plus infinity infinity. Infinity plus an infinity. So you are finding the shortest path by using two edges. So we are finding the shortest path by using two edges. We are finding the shortest path by using two edges. That is, we are finding the shortest path by using two edges. That is 1 to 2, 2 to 5. 6 minus 5, 5. Suppose in our graph, it is the same explanation, same in our graph. It is same in our graph. This shortest path from first vertex to fifth vertex by using two edges. Actually, by using single edge, there is no path directly from 1 to 5 by using single edge. Suppose you are finding the shortest path by using two edges. First, you are consider 1 to 2. Next, you are consider 2 to 5. 6 minus 1, 5. Same you are calculating here. You are finding the shortest path by using two edges. 1 to 2, 2 to 5. That is 6 minus 1, 5. That is 5, 5. Next, 6. 6 means we are finding the shortest path from first vertex to d square. First vertex to sixth vertex by using two edges. That is by using two edges. Here square. 6 power not 1 square. Square. We are finding the shortest path. We are finding the shortest path. That is 1 to 5. 1 to 5. That is 1 to 6. 1 to 6 means 0 plus infinity. It is distance 1 comma cost of 1 comma 6. Distance square 2. That is means distance power 1 comma 2 plus infinity, and infinity means 2 comma 6. There is no path from 2 comma 6 in our given graph. 3 comma 6. There is no path from 3 comma 6. Next 3 comma 4. 4 comma 6. There is a path existing from 4 comma 6. That is minus 1, 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1, 4. Next infinity plus infinity. Next infinity plus infinity, infinity. So short minimum. That is the minimum value is here infinity, 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 4, infinity, infinity. It is the minimum value is 4. So infinity comma 4 that equal to 4 means the shortest path by using two edges. That is the shortest path by using two edges is 5 minus 1 equal to 4. So you are fine. Suppose we are finding the shortest path from first vertex to sixth vertex by using two edges. There is a path between 1 to 6 by using two edges. 5 minus 1, 6. Next, distance power 1, distance power square, not 1, 2. We are not writing 1. So here 2, not 1. Distance power 1, 7, infinity. So we are finding the shortest path. That is, we are finding the shortest path. But there is no path existing from 1 to 7 by using single edge or two edges. So there is no path, that is there is no path by using single edge or double edge by using there is no path by using single edge or a double edge by using given graph. For example, it is for given graph, it is for given graph, by given graph here, this is for given graph. Suppose there is no direct path by using single edge. Actually, there is no direct path from 1 to 7, but there is no path by using 2 edges. There is another path by using 3 edges, but there is no path from 1 to 7 by using 2 edges. So there is no path from 1 to 7 by using 2 edges. So totally we are calculating, it is totally we are calculating distance square, it is distance square 1, distance square 1 is 0, distance square 2 is 3, distance square 3 is 3, distance square 4 is 5, distance square 5 is 5, distance square 6 is 4, distance square 7 is infinity. Means 1 to 1, it is 1 to 1 there is no path. To next one 1 to 2, 1 to 2 there is a path by using t edges. Next one 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 6. That is summarize, that is. So we are finding the shortest path, that is we are finding the shortest path by using at most 2 edges. So for we are finding the shortest path from 1 to 2, there is a path existing from 1 to 2 by using 2 edges, that is shortest path is 3. Next, there is a path existing from 1 to 3 by using 2 edges, that is 5 minus 2, 3. Same 3, 3, 5, 5, 5. Already we are calculating 1 to 4. There is no path existing. There is no path existing from 1 to 4 by using 2 edges. So by using single edge. So just to consider shortest path by using single edge, it is at most 2 means minimum 2, not maximum. Minimum 2 means 1 is minimum, maximum 2, at most means maximum 2 edges. Suppose there is no path existing by using 2 edges, just we are consider the shortest path by using single edge. Next 1 to 5, 1 to 2, 1 to 5, next 1 to 6, next 1 to 7. There is no path existing from 1 to 7, that is there is no path existing from 1 to 7 by using 2 edges. So we are calculating distance square I. So distance square I. By using distance square I, we are calculating distance cube 2. What is distance cube 2 means distance cube means we are finding the shortest path from 1 to 3. That is we are finding the shortest path from 1 to 2 by using 3 edges. Suppose there is no shortest path from 1 to 2 by using 3 edges, we are consider at most edges. That is the at most edges means only consider 2 edges. Suppose there existing a path between 1 to 2 by using 3 edges, just we are considering shortest path. Okay, we are consider shortest path means here a distance square 2, distance square 2 means 3. Here already distance square 3. Next one 0 plus 6. Next 3 plus minus 2, 3 plus 5 plus infinity, 5 plus infinity plus infinity, it is 3 comma 1. Means we are finding the shortest path. That is we are finding the shortest path. We are finding the shortest path by using 3 edges. So in graph, it is in graph we are finding the shortest path means suppose we are finding the shortest path by using 3 edges. Suppose there existing a path, that is there existing a path by using 3 edges. For example, it is for given graph, it is for given graph. For a given graph, you are finding the shortest path from 1 to 2. We are finding the shortest path from 1 to 2 by using 3 edges. By using 3 edges means there is another path. There is another shortest path by using 3 edges. That is there is another shortest path by using 3 edges from 1 to 2 means 1 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 4. It is the shortest path is only 1. 5 minus 3, 5 minus 2, next minus 2. 5 minus 2 minus 2, that equal to 1. Suppose you are finding the shortest path, that is you are finding the shortest path from 1 to 2 by using 3 edges. That is by using 3 edges means by using 3 edges there is a shortest path is available from 1 to 2 by using 3 edges, from 1 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 3, it is equal to 1. 5 minus 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1. Same you are calculating, it is same you are calculating 2 minus 2, that is 3 minus 2. Same you are calculating here. Here just you are calculating here distance square, distance power 3 equal to 2, that is 1. 1 means it is you are calculating from 4, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Means there is a path existing, that is there is a path existing from 1 to 2 by using 3 edges, that is there is a path existing from 1 to 2, that is 1 to 2 by using 3 edges, that equal to 1 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 2, it is shortest path is distance length is 1. Next we are consider we are calculating shortest path distance cube 3. Distance cube 3 means, so we are calculating shortest path from 1 to 3 by using 3 edges, but there is no 3 edges is not available to find the shortest path from 1 to 3. So just we are consider at most 2 edges, that is at most 2 edges means only we are consider 2 edges, that is 5 minus 2, 3 means there is no path is available by using 3 edges. That is, suppose we are finding the shortest path from 1 to 4. What is, we are finding the shortest path from 1 to 4. There is 1 to 4. Sorry, 1 to 3. 1 to 3. That is 1 to 3. There is no path is available by using 3 edges. Okay, shortest path. So there is no shortest path existing from 1 to 2 by using 3 edges. That is distance 3. Distance power 3, 3 means we are finding the shortest path from 1 to 3 by using 3 edges. But there is no path is available by using 3 edges. Just we are consider at most 2 edges. That is at most 2 edges. That is 1 to 4, 4 to 3. So for example, it is suppose you are consider the graph. That is we are consider the graph. That is in our graph. That is in our graph. Suppose 1 2 3. That is 1 2 3. That is 1 2 3 means suppose 1 2 3. That is 1 2 3. There is no path is available by using 3 edges. That is there is no path is available from 3 edges. There is only one path is available by using 2 edges. That is 1 to 4, 4 to 5. So by using single edge, there is a one path from 1 to 3. By using 2 edges, 5 minus 2, 3. But there is no path is shortest path is available from 1 to 3 by using 3 edges. So you are consider only at most 2 edges. That is you are consider only at most 2 edges. That is at most 2 edges. Next, distance power 4. Same, we are calculating distance power 3, 4, 5 comma 0 plus 5. Same here. There is no path is available from 1 to 4 by using 2 edges or 3 edges. So just you are consider only 1 edges. Next, we are consider the distance 5, distance cube 5. Distance cube 5 means we are finding the shortest path. We are finding the shortest path. That is, we are finding the shortest path from first vertex to fifth vertex by using 3 edges. That is by using 3 edges. Actually, there is a shortest path available by using 2 edges is 5. So there is a shortest path from 1 to shortest path from 1 to 5 by using two edges is 5. So you are considering the shortest path from 1 to 5 by using three edges. So 0 plus infinity. Next one 3 plus minus 1 2. Next 3 plus 1 4. 5 plus infinity 4 plus infinity infinity plus infinity means so minimum value is 2. Means there is a path is available. That is there is a path is available. Shortest path is available from 1 to 5 by using three edges. So means 3 minus 1 5 means 5 to 3 3 to 2 2 to 1. That is 5 minus 2 3 minus 1 2. So there is a path is available from 1 to 5 by using three edges. That means 1 to 3 3 to 2 3 to 5. Same in your graph. It is same in our graph. There is a path is available. It is there is a path is available from 1 to 5 by using three edges. So actually by using suppose 1 to 5, that is 1 to 5, there is a path is available from 1 to 5 by using two edges is suppose 6 minus 1 5 or same another 5 is 5 plus 1 6. It is sorry 6 minus 1 5. This is the shortest path. Actually there is a shortest path from 1 to 5 by using single edges. There is no path is available by using single edge. Next, by using two edges, that is by using two edges, there is a two paths is available from 1 to 5. There is a two path is available from 1 to 5. That is 6 minus 5, 5 plus 1 6. But shortest path is 6 minus 5, 6 minus 1 5. Next there is a shortest path from 1 to 5 by using three edges. Three edges means 1 to 3, 3 to 2, 3 to 2, 2 to 5. That is 5 minus 2 3, 3 minus 1 2. We are calculating 2 already. That is means there is a shortest path is available. That is there is a shortest path available by using three edges 1 to 3, 3 to 2, 3 to 2, 2 to 5. So there is a shortest path is available from 1 to 5 by using three edges. Okay. So already we are calculating shortest path by using three edges. So here we are calculating distance power. It is distance power 3 equal to 5. It is shortest path is 2. Next distance power 3. Already we are calculating 4 by using two edges. Same there is no path is available by using two edges 5 minus 1 4. Next distance power point. Suppose there is a shortest path is available from 1 to 7. It is there is a shortest path is available from 1 to 7 by using three edges is 1 to 4, 1 to 4 to 6, 6 to 5. 5 minus 4, sorry, 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. Actually, there is a shortest path is available from 1 to 7, but there is a shortest path is available from 1 to 7 by using only three edges. There is no shortest path is available by using single edge or two edges. Only there is a shortest path is available from 1 to 7 by using three edges. That is distance power 3. Distance power 3 comma 7 means there is a shortest path is available by using three edges. So here distance 3 power I, distance cube power I means 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 7. The shortest path by using three edges. So 1, 3 comma 5. Same you are calculating distance power 4, distance power 5, distance power 6. That is first you are calculating distance power. So you are calculating distance power 3. By using distance power 3, we are calculating distance power 4. Next to distance power 5, distance power 6, distance power 6. Totally we are calculating distance power 6 means distance power k minus 1. Tomorrow we are calculating about calculating distance power 4, 5, 6. So totally we are finding the single source shortest path means we are finding the shortest path. We are finding the shortest path by using single edge, two edges, three edges, four edges, 5 edges, 6 edges. Okay, total number of vertices is 7. We are calculating up to 6 edges. First, just we are calculating only 6 edges. Tomorrow we are calculating the remaining path distance power 4, 5, 6. Okay.